Good morning. So spent, it's probably 10:30 already, so not early morning. Probably spent about an hour at the truss plant going over beams and getting the proper hangers, and then also they supply the truss plant. This supplies the engineering for the tall walls, so within that now I had to get all my hangers or clips and screws. So there's screws in this here. When there's 4 studs put together, you got to screw them together, not just nail. So now I got all the parts, I think, to wrap or to get me to the end of this house, I hope. So now this is all I'm doing, is putting on the framing clips where the engineer has asked for them. Yeah, quite a process, a lot of time, kind of cool. Something very satisfying about putting those screws in. They really pull everything together. Okay, so I believe I got all the window sills, windows, headers, all that done. Now comes the mid-span blocking. Hoot hoot. Loads of fun. Just like that. Now, sometimes it's probably better building practice to stagger these. I'm not so sure. I have done that on the other tall wall. I seem to have forgotten. So now I'm just lining it all up. Okay, so I got all the blocking in. So this wall is ready to be sheeted. Okay, so that guy's built. Well, it's not done because I'm going to build the fireplace box on it. But before I do that, there's another tall wall that goes back there. This tall wall goes over here. I have no room to build that tall wall, so I'm going to build it on this wall, and then I'm going to just fly it off and set it on the lot over there, and then I'll build that fireplace box, stand this, grab that wall, stand it, and then stand this one. That's the plan. Okay, so we'll start getting the columns built, or the king studs beside the windows. So I'll make the crowns work against each other again. So again, I'm following the engineering. every 8 inches. A nail. Crazy. Just crazy. One column. Okay, getting pretty far into this last tall wall. We'll put this cripple, we'll laminate these cripples on together. Flush with the bottom, real nice, real nice. Okay. Okay, so that's the headers and cripples and columns. Whew. Okay, now before we go much further, I want to get the, there's clips, these guys right here. I have to get these guys on. 2 per column, so I'll put one here and here. 2 and 2. 2, 4, 6. Okay, I'll throw this guy on. Is that down low, that guy? Yep, we'll take this guy more to the top. Oh. Okay, so installing this L seems to be fitting very, very nicely. Before I sheet that, I'm gonna have to put some insulation in. Okay, so these upper windows are 71 3/4. So I marked 74 3/4 because there's a sill here and a sill there. And now this is where my stud, my trimmer goes. I call him a trimmer. So this guy is 32 3/8. Nope, it is 30 7/8. And this should be right around 5 feet. Yep. Okay. 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 5 feet. Okay, so here's one sill. That worked. One here. Okay, now let's grab 3 of these trimmers. That's a sill. Here's the trimmers. Before I cut a whole bunch, I want to make sure everything's fitting correctly. Oh, 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 oh. Half of 36 1/4 is 18 1/8. 17 3/8. That should be 71 3/4. Yep. Seventeen 3/8. Okay, it fits. Now this one, for the bottom, this rough opening is 89 3/8. Add 2 to that, 3 to that, 89 3/8 plus 3. 1, stay hooked. 1, 2, 3, let's go 92 1/2, so we're just a little bit too big. For more insulation, 2 1/4. Okay. Gonna need 10 at 2 1/4. Okay, so last sill plate to put in, and then, oh, there's one more stud yet. There's, sorry, got distracted. One more stud here. This last sill, and the framing is pretty much complete. Up a little. Okay, we'll call that a good for today. Thank you for watching. You all take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.